How to buy Chloe token. So I guess this is the right name. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, they have their Telegram channel. They included it on the X account. Now to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token created 7 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's been investment in a safe place. So as you can see, this token is trending number 2 on Solana section in the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Now open your financial wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. As you can see, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Chloe token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.